My FBI internship is completely classified, just kidding. I was headquartered over in Washington, D.C., and I got to work on their technical operations unit over on their cyber action team. That's the FBI's premier incident response group, so I was able to get placed working with them and doing a lot of cool technical stuff. I couldn't have done it without Champlain. The Leahy Center Champlain College is a premier digital forensics laboratory, also for the state of Vermont, so that we have actual cases coming in and out of there. Students get to have real-world experience in the Leahy Center. I was a security operations center analyst, and basically what that entails is monitoring a client's network. My work over in the Leahy Center has prepared me for professional life in multiple ways. So I already had hands-on experience working with different SIEMs or security incident and event management systems. My favorite thing about being a cybersecurity major is the fact that everybody else around me has about as much passion as I do for the industry and the major, which means that when I'm going and nerding out in the lab or even in my own apartment, I'll have friends that'll come over and they'll work on similar work, or they'll be working on something else, and we'll just both be in the lab, just learning, having a time together. So really just be passionate, so stay up to date. Do some homework where you have a lab set up and you're doing stuff at home, and also just making sure you're paying attention to the news, because every single day something new's coming out. So with that passion partnered up with staying up to date, you'll be just in tip-top shape.